3, 2, 1. Good morning, Coffee Talkers. It is Stefan, and you are beautiful. Coffee Talk, place where we're going to have human interest stories, and we're going to share some stories with other people we meet on the way. Sometimes I might take you someplace. Sometimes it might just be an interview with an author, an actor, or just maybe you and I are just going to hang out together. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, because Coffee Talk is going to start coming back in a whole different vibe, a whole different way. It's going to be with you, a little morning, a little taste of Coffee Talk with ADIKA and you. It all starts now.
It's Coffee Talk with ADIKA. Nothing rhymes with that but chicken tikka. We name drop here with Stefan and all his friends.
I mean, this is the perfect photo op right here. Say cheese. Today, everybody, we're on Vashon Island. Supposedly there's trolls in Washington. I have never seen a troll myself, but I'm going to take you to experience it. It's my first troll time. Or is it troll hunting? Troll sighting. Yeah, it's my first troll ever. So let's troll together, you and I. Let's find Oscar the troll. It all starts now. Don't touch that dial, kids. Supposedly there's 6 trolls in the state of Washington, and that's what they say. So we're on Vashon Island, and this is Point Robinson Park. We're actually looking for the troll. That's where we are. But where are the trolls?
Today we're in search of a troll named Oscar. Now, trolls have appeared in many works of modern fiction, most often in the fantasy world. Classic examples being portrayal of trolls in works such as Dungeons and Dragons. Beginning in the 1950s, troll dolls were a popular toy based on a folklore creature. Trolls based on the dolls appeared in the Hollywood cartoon movie Trolls in 2016. So let's see what we find today, kids.
There's Oscar. Let's check it out. Oscar, the Bird King. Thomas Dambo is an artist based in Denmark. Thomas makes sculptures and installations out of recycled materials. By doing this, he hopes to inspire everybody to have fun and think of trash as a valuable resource. All right. Right here. That's where we are.
Yeah, maybe. Now you can get to, It's about 5.5 feet tall.
I did not.
That's Oscar. And he's made out of recyclables and all this. What a piece of art that is. Check it out. Let's get close. Pretty cool. He's pointing at you people. He's making sure you're staying away from him. How cool is that? Let's get pretty close to him. Oh yeah, he is pointing. Look at his finger. All right. Boom. Nice to meet you, Oscar. No climbing, but look at how it's all made out of branches. It's wild. So there we go. There's Oscar the troll. I guess there's different trolls around Washington, and gotta check it out. But anyway, that's Oscar. That's my first troll sighting. I think it's pretty cool. Come here and get some picnic stuff if you want to, go troll hunting. A little hang out with the family. Right over here, you have a little cool little sitting area. See over here, water and trail and camping. Look at the little bridge over here. Let's check it out really quick. Or maybe it's just a place to take a photo op. I think that could be a photo op spot. Yeah. Yes. That looks like a perfect place for a picture right here. You could sit here and meditate and just, yeah. That's a beautiful picture. Should we take one? Let's take one.
It's coffee talk with the Tika. Nothing rhymes with that but chicken tikka. We name drop here with Stefan and all his friends.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. We'll be releasing more clips in the future, but in the meantime, click on a box here for something old that might be new to you. Who loves you, baby? We do. We'll see you all later.